Hi, this is Ru from Ether. Today we arrive at Shenzhen Root Electronic Company. It is a company that focuses on R&D, production, manufacturing, and marketing for automatic electronic. Let's go and see it.
Our company is equipped with modern production testing facilities. All of our engineers and sales have more than 10 years working experience in these products, which enable us to provide more professional service such as customized order design, quality control and product marketing, fast response for after-sales issues.
Hi, I'm Carrie. I'm responsible for marketing service.
This is our Android car radio. We use quantum dot LED screen and alloy material here, panel and heatsink. Support fiber optical output and Casio. We also support good quality cooling fan. Here is our warehouse. Our products ships to all over the world. We warmly welcome our new and regular customers from domestic and overseas to contact us for future business. OEM and customized order are well accepted.
You will be satisfied with our competitive price, quality, reliability, online delivery, and the highest standards of services.